You know, there's a saying that I remember hearing that had to do with no good deed goes unpunished. And a lot of times, like this person right here, so if you're reading this story, a lot of times people will co-sign a loan because they want to do something good. Usually it's a parent, a sibling, a really good friend. You want to help them out, and that's natural. But what we don't realize, what a lot of people don't realize, is that when you need a cosigner, when somebody asks you to co-sign with them, it's because the bank, the credit card company, the car dealership, the iPhone store, Apple store, or whatever they're called, won't give them the loan themselves because they're not trusted. And a lot of times they have to go out there, and they're not trusted because their credit score is low. So they have to go out there and find somebody else that is trusted to make the payments. Now, when it's a family member and they need a mortgage, they need a roof over their head or a new car, our hearts go out and we want to help them. But when they start missing payments, when they don't make a payment and they stop altogether paying, guess who's going to end up paying for it? The cosigner, the person that has the great credit that signed their name saying, yeah, hey, I'll take care of it. Guess what? Your credit score is going down. And you know what? There's really not much you can do with it because the banks aren't going to forgive you. They're not going to say, oh, it's okay. You co-signed for something. You didn't mean to do that. When you co-sign for something, you're on the hook. So here's what I recommend. One thing I recommend. That's it. Don't co-sign for things. It's easy as that. And you won't have this issue. Now, parents will be a different story. Especially if they're up there in age, that might be a reason. Or if you're sharing a house, right? So I could see that as being a valid situation, even though I would still say put the mortgage on one person's name, have a rental agreement with the other person. That way you don't have to worry about it. But look, I feel bad for this person right here. It sucks to be them, but they're stuck paying for it, and their credit score is going to go down, and they're going to have to pay the bill. Anyhow, appreciate you guys. Hope you have a good one. And remember, money isn't hard. You just have to try.